So I'm going to show you how to fix one of the frequent Java runtime error, java.lang.unsatisfiedlinkerror, which you will get when you run an existing application or when you're starting the new application in Eclipse or from the command line. So the error you will get something like java.lang.unsatisfiedlinkerror. How to handle the unsatisfied link error? So basically, suppose you have an application in Eclipse, and when you run this one, so you will get that error. Okay, so but here I'm not able to replicate because I solved it already. So you will get this one. Very often when you work at your home desktop, because your Windows will get updated every time and your class path settings will change. So when you get this error, so there will be different reasons you get this error. One could be the socket issue that will let you not to connect to the VM virtual machine, or it could be a firewall issue, which I don't think it's the reason for most of the cases. And so most of the times the reason would be your JR is not correct in the class path of the Eclipse. So to fix that, go to Eclipse, um, preferences, and look for Java, install JREs, and then edit, click on edit, and then do the default restore default, and then click finish. That would most of the time resolve your issue. Okay, and keep comment if you have any other solutions. Thank you.